Young Seven make a splurge.
Hey baddies, this is BP Exclusive. In today's video we are going to be doing a tie-dye tube dress. So I picked up some tie-dye. I picked up like the basic colors that I know would make a different color, like basically red, yellow, and blue. Those make the whole rainbow. So I opened this one because I want to see but it comes with the powder already in here. You just add water to the top and shake it up, and they all come with, like, I got individual ones. I don't know if you can see this. So be dead. This was not a good idea. But I just wanted to be outside, I don't know why. And it's really loud out here, so I don't know why I want to be outside. Is it because it's humid? Because I definitely wasn't getting bit the other day by mosquitoes. So it comes with rubber bands, and I bought a pack of rubber bands because I didn't know that. I didn't even look at the back. Gloves. And so, for this shirt, I want to do the swirl technique, which I don't know how to do. So low-key, also you're probably like wondering, like, why do I look like this, like, weird. I'm actually like trying to think of like styles, like how I want the models for my upcoming fashion show, how I want them to look. So I think I want them to have glitter, like a different, more defined glitter on their cheeks, or I can make them low-key make a freckle look, but with the glitter, make it look like freckles, and then futuristic kind of with the hair up. So I'm just trying stuff on myself because I want this to be a great show. So yeah, that is the plan. So let's get started. Let's go ahead, put these gloves on. Oh, and you guys, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a thumbs up if you like my videos so far, and if you want me to continue to do DIYs, easy DIYs. They was gonna bite my eyeball? Like, I'm confused. The hair, it just blew me. Like, it just went in my eye, like you was gonna bite my eyeball. I don't get it. I'm about to go inside. I can't do this. I'm sorry. I thought. Well, let's get to it. So I'm gonna try it on some fabric. Some scrap fabric first because I really don't know what I'm doing. The dye, I'm gonna fill them with water. Let's do this soon. So I think, like, in order to accomplish like tie-dye, So we're gonna let these sit for 8 hours. So overnight, I'm gonna let them sit overnight, and then I'm gonna bleach them. So that's the next step. We're gonna bleach them because I want it to be like pastel-y. So yeah, we're gonna bleach them tomorrow to make them lighter, and hopefully it doesn't change the color because, you know, I feel like it will. So I have the tester, so I'll use the tester to see if it's gonna change the color of anything before I actually try it on these, because I really don't want to ruin them. That would be a shame. And you know, maybe I can Google. Anyways, that is all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow.